Find the indicated function and write its domain in interval notation. This is something similar to number 19. Instead of multiplying though, we are dividing. So we're going to write q of x over p of x, which means we're going to write the square root of 2 minus x over x squared plus 3x. And that's our answer. Now, the domain is important because we cannot divide by 0. So x squared plus 3x is not allowed to be 0. The GCF here is x. So when we factor out an x, we know that the product of those two functions cannot be 0. So x cannot be 0. X plus 3 can also not be 0. So x is not allowed to be 0 and negative 3. Now, in order to write this in interval notation, the domain can exist everywhere else. So it can go from negative infinity to negative 3, cannot be negative 3. Union from negative 3 to 0. Union 0 to infinity. In other words, what we're saying here is that the domain can go from negative infinity to positive infinity and every number in between, with the exception of negative 3 and 0.